biggest employment avenue.
Meghalaya Excise Department is planning to hop into the digital bandwagon, making its functioning easier, swifter and transparent. It's the age of technology and everyone wants to go digital, including the Excise Department. Excise Minister Kirmen Shilla said the proper study is being conducted as the state is closely monitoring the nearby states which have gone digital, and based on their performance, the final decision will be taken. If the Excise Department goes digital, then all work, including issue of permits, passes, fresh applications, renewals, besides payments, will be made online. The online facility will also generate reports, including that of revenue collection, and maintain inventories.
And if that really works well and then is benefiting the department, so we would like to go ahead, because all in Indians now everything has been changed. We have seen new technology, so I believe that in the modern world we are living, we should have everything digitized, so that things will be faster and then people will not need to spend much of the time.